So this week I'm going to make a macaron cake. But what I need to make first is some buttercream that I'm going to make part of it pistachio and part of it raspberry. And so I'm going to show you how I make just a half a batch. Normally I fill this. I have a no bubble recipe or technique and one that's just, I mean, you're going to have air bubbles because you're whipping a lot of air into the buttercream. So this is a half batch of what I normally do. Since I'm not worried about the bubbles this time, because it's just, I don't need a smooth exterior to a cake this time, so it doesn't matter. So basically, what I have here is my mixer. You can't see it, but my big old mixer over here. I've got powdered sugar, butter, clear vanilla, and some salt. This is 2 cups, no, actually it's 4 cups of butter, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 2-pound bags of powdered sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Oh, also I have some pistachios. I'm going to pulse those in my little thing here. I'm not even sure what you call this, but it's like a mini food processor. And then once I've got that pulsed and powdery, then I'm going to put it through my sieve to get the big chunks out and incorporating that into the buttercream and part of it. And the other part, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some raspberry preserves, I think I got this time. Yeah, raspberry preserves to add the raspberry flavor. So this is gonna be a pistachio raspberry macaron cake. And it's gonna be topped with meringues that I didn't actually video me doing. If you want me to at some point I can, but I can attach the recipe down below. Some clear vanilla. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get started, and I probably won't talk. All right, here we go. Okay, so these are the ingredients for my macaron recipe. I'm making a double recipe, but I'll give you the recipe for the recipe for a single batch. So everything I have here is double. Just keep that in mind. You start with 2 ounces of egg whites. Then I've got 2 ounces of almond flour. 1 ounce, I'm sorry, of granulated sugar. And what do I have here? I have 4 ounces of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and that's it. So I use this scale, a digital scale, to measure out all my ingredients. They say you could, some recipes tell you measurements like cup, teaspoon, well, teaspoon you can figure out, but cups, half cup, whatever. But it's such a precise thing with macarons that it's better to measure it out. So find yourself a recipe if you don't like this one that where you have to measure things out. So also I'm gonna get my bowl and my mixer out and all my tools that I'm gonna use, all my equipment, spatulas and all that. I'm going to go ahead and use lemon extract. I'm sorry, just plain lemon juice, and wipe everything down to make sure that there's no grease on them, because that will keep the meringue from working. So that's that. Let's get to that part.